Meaning of head-on.
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 Head-on. The term head-on typically refers to a situation where two objects or forces collide directly with each other, usually in a way that is violent or forceful. This can also be used figuratively to describe a situation where two people or groups confront each other directly and without hesitation. In such situations, there is often a great deal of tension and potential for conflict. The consequences of a head-on collision or confrontation can be serious and even deadly, whether in a literal or figurative sense.